What if I told you sulfates aren't actually bad for your hair? Sulfates are the cleaning agent in some shampoos that bind the dirt and oil in your hair and wash it all away. They are a surfactant, the strongest type of surfactant that you're going to find in any shampoo. Shampoos that are sulfate-free are going to have more gentle cleansers in. Sulfate-free shampoos are more gentle, but they don't necessarily clean your hair as well. And because of this, if you have naturally fine, flat, oily, really greasy hair, sulfates are actually your friend. And while they're definitely not recommended for people with dry hair types, curly hair, anything like that, sulfates themselves aren't actually harmful. They just might overstrip certain hair types and remove it from necessary moisture. But if your hair has excessive product, is really greasy, is prone to getting oily really quickly, and you have a hard time removing all of that, then you probably want a shampoo with sulfates in it.
So I told you that sulfates aren't bad for your hair, but are they color safe? The answer isn't really a simple yes or no. The answer is yes, they can be. This is because what is really fading your color is water. When your hair gets wet, it swells up, making space for fragments of those color molecules that have been worked into your cuticles to fall out. Something that makes your hair not swell as much is conditioning agents like your natural oils on your hair. So if your hair has some of its natural oils still left on it, it's not going to swell as much, and therefore you're going to lose less color fragments. If your hair is dry naturally, or if your hair has been damaged and you use a sulfate shampoo, it's going to strip all of those natural conditioning agents, and your hair is going to swell to the max that it can, and you are going to lose lots of color. But if you have hair that is naturally really oily and healthy, you can use a shampoo with sulfates, and you're probably not going to get any different color fadage from a sulfate-free or a shampoo with sulfates. And honestly, if your hair is excessively dry and damaged, you're going to get a ton of color fadage anyways because of the porosity of your hair. It really comes down to a lot more than the ingredients of your shampoo, and more about the health of your hair and many other factors, including how often you wash your hair. I hope that helps. Let me know if there's any more questions.